Hey, I'm Carter from Quicklert's Business Development Team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the QMS App Store. The App Store is the place to find any and all applications that can be used on a Quicklert device. To start today, we'll explore the main App Store page and its buttons. Then I'll show you how to add and configure apps, and I'll finish today with a couple examples. So let's get right into it. The App Store is accessed through the shopping bag icon on the navigation panel. At the top of the page is a search icon which you can use to search for any specific app. Below is a list of all apps in QMS. There are both simple apps, like your clock app, and more complex apps, like CNN or YouTube. To add an app, just hover over the selected app and click Add when the Add button appears. When you click Add, the configuration window will pop up, allowing you to choose settings specific to each app. To change the name of your new app, just click on the default name at the top and type in a new one. Once you complete the configuration process and hit save, your app will become part of your content. Now I'm going to show you two examples of adding apps. First, I'll add ESPN. I want a black background, MLB news showing, 30 seconds per slide, and for just one piece of news to be full screen at a time. Now, I'm going to add a building directory. I want to keep the default names, but I want to add one more class to the defaults, and I don't want to show any names of instructors. At the top, I'll type in a name, and that's all I have to do. Now, I can just hit save. Both of these will now show up at the top of my content section here. Thank you for watching our video on the App Store.